Today's video is about $25 and under Chardonnays that I like. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today we are talking about Chardonnays that are priced at $25 and under that I like and think you will too. We're going to start off in the US. Spellbound Chardonnay, Hess Select. La Crema. La Crema is sort of like our house Chardonnay because it's kind of in that California style, but not overly oaked. So it's got a little butteriness. A lot of success there. Also really enjoyed the Dow Chardonnay. We talked about Dow on the Cabernet Sauvignon video. But their Chardonnay we had while we were away on vacation in with 3 different meals as part of tastings. And the wine was really versatile and really delicious. Last one from California is the Wente Riva Ranch Chardonnay. This is one that I always gravitate towards. Crowd pleaser, really easy to like. Tropical in nature, more so than anything else. As we look to, actually, there's one more California Chardonnay. It's just the Kendall Jackson Vineyard Reserve Chardonnay. It's maybe it's just that it was the first Chardonnay that I fell in love with like 25 years ago. But you know, at times it can get a little oaky, but there's something about it that just makes it a pleaser. I think as we look into other areas of the U.S., Long Island does really nice Chardonnay in a lot of cases, not just because I'm from Long Island, but because I've had really good Chardonnay from Long Island. My favorite is Bedell Cellars, at least thus far. So less distribution on that one, right? You won't necessarily find it all over the place, but worth a look. Let's look to Italy for Chardonnay. Tormaresca from the Puglia region. A very good Chardonnay for, you can have for a song, like $13 if I'm not mistaken. And just in general, I've had so many good Chardonnays from Italy that they go overlooked a lot. Because who the heck is thinking about Italy when you're thinking, oh, I'm going to buy a Chardonnay? But, give that some thought. South Africa is a great place for Chardonnay. Indaba is one of my favorites, under the $25 price point. My favorite Chardonnay in the world is Hamilton Russell's Chardonnay from the Hemel Arda Valley, but that's more in the upper 30s, maybe even $40 now. I haven't checked in a little bit. But South Africa, really good Chardonnays. If you want to go to France, I would say, if you see a Joseph Drouin Macon Chardonnay, or if you see a Joseph Drouin Macon, that is it's made from all Chardonnay, 100% Chardonnay from Burgundy. Those are generally just out and out delicious and really underpriced because most of the white Burgundy gets really crazy when it comes to prices. Let's see, I'm looking over my list. Did I miss any? I missed Bogle Chardonnay. It's gonna be like $9. Normally when somebody produces wine in such volume, the wine tends to come out a little overdone, maybe taste a little fake. And I find that with the Bogle wines, and I mentioned this, I think, in the Pinot Noir video, that with Bogle wines, I just don't get that. Maybe I go in prejudice because I've had positive experiences with those, but you know what? I'd be curious what you think, and tell me in the comments. Hey, I want to thank you for joining. I forgot to ask earlier, because I know 90.1% of you are not subscribed to the channel. It would really mean a lot to me if you hit that subscribe button. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this one and you want to see a similar style video for Cabernet Sauvignon, I'll put a link on this side of me today, just so it makes it easy for you. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for joining me.